Alright guys, today we're going to do something new. I don't even know if I've ever opened this entire thing up for you guys, but we're going to be playing the Fast Boy Chess. I don't know about 1 minute because I'm on a computer, you know? I can't be moving around so quick. I think we need some kind of increment. So I'm going to go with, I guess we'll go 1-1 here. I never play bullet chess either. You can see my rank's 1300. We're gonna do a couple of these just as like a little warm up, perhaps, or something. Believe it or not, we're actually ahead on time. And I really don't know how. I had a little sneaky idea. This guy's so predictable. It's almost upsetting. Ugh. That's not what I wanted. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Okay, this is where I wanted my queen earlier, so now our dark square bishop is just stuck. Oh. 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 Look at that, it just all works out. For me. This time, not him. This rocks. Now we're up a pawn. We have a passed pawn. We're also up time. He's only at 30 something seconds. This is a lot faster than every other game we've ever played on this channel. That's a bad move. It gave up a pawn. Yeah. Okay, what are we doing here? I feel like I'm at a bit of a standstill, you know? Okay, that's a free pawn. Okay, that's a free knight. No, it's a free rook. He can take my rook, but then I take his knight. He might resign here, honestly. I'm up 5. He's going. I guess I just start marching this pawn. And he's probably going to start marching that pawn. Alright, now our queens are both stuck babysitting this A pawn, and I can just push this pawn all the way. He has to take. Yeah, he doesn't have any other options. Now I'm just gonna win his queen for free. He's gonna resign now, there's no way he's playing. Alright, that was easy. Only 6 mistakes, 1 blunder, 1 missed win, probably some other stuff. I was planning on just doing like 3 or 4 of these. Maybe if one of them came that was like a cool game, maybe we do that. This is not the right move. I'm already doing the wrong move. Let's just kick this guy out. This isn't great. We're threatening to trade queens. Just castle. We're down in development. Oh, we're fine now. That was very quick. It's hard to commentate this. It's so fast. I'm winning. I'm losing. Or something. This guy's going so quickly. I guess we're trading off every piece we have. Now he just has a passed pawn. I'm actually losing right now. God, okay. The next step is to get my king active. For sure. I think G4 is a good spot. My rook is absolutely stuck right now, and that is not good. I think I'm gonna lose this one. or draw. We have to trade. He's gonna get in here. Well, I guess here. Okay, yeah, I think we're losing. We will resign. There's nothing we can do there. That was really piss poor game. Let's play something weird. Just double Fianchetto. This is like the default, I don't know what I'm doing in chess. I just know these pieces gotta do stuff type opening. We just gave up a pawn. It's called a gambit though, and I meant to do it. That's a lie. I'm capping. I'm capping, guys. You caught me. I'm straight capping. Hopefully this guy just decides to lose. He does have this fork, which is extremely uncomfortable, and I hate, and now I'm probably not doing well. Actually, it's not the end of the world, really. If he takes my rook, I'm just going to take his bishop. And then his knight is stuck here, can only go to g6 or f7. And I can just move my king. Yeah, we're fine. We're going to win this back. I think he has to play queen f3. Okay, yeah, we'll just be over here. He's defending it on this diagonal now. How do we stop that? I see how. Oh. You might play that. Yeah, I thought of that. This is terrifying. This is such a bad position. I don't want to go there. He doesn't have checkmate. He's pretty close though. Let's just compose ourselves for a second. I think we have to just give this up and have to play here. But after he gives it up, then we get a piece. This isn't horrible. We do also have some threats. This light square bishop's doing work for us. We're also up in time. Oh, if he's gonna spend the entire time thinking, he might just throw this game right now, right here. Oh, we're not doing that? Okay. Not too sure what's going on. Does he have checkmate? He does, on f8. He didn't play it. He just lost on time. He had checkmate in one. Yeah, it's a pretty common little queen sacrifice. When you have your bishop and queen lined up like this, and your rook and queen lined up like this, sacrifice the queen. You have to take with the rook. The bishop now pins this rook, and now when your rook comes here, there's nothing your king can do. Alright, let's do one more, and then unless I'm lying. That's my new thing I'm gonna start doing in videos, is lying. This is a horribly symmetrical position. Okay. Did you guys see that double? I'm scared now. This is a genuinely uncomfortable position. I think I'm losing, actually. Like, I think it's already lost. I don't even know what to do. Is this a trick opening I don't know about? Okay. That seemed like the only move I really had. He has checkmate here. How am I supposed to defend this square? Oh, he said something. Nice bear pick. We have 30 seconds. Thanks. He's gonna just checkmate me on h1. Watch this. Okay. Maybe this guy will see our YouTube. Maybe he won't. On to the next. We're gonna do one more because I decided that one was too short and sucked and I hated it. Oh, the fantasy variation of the Caro-Kann? Nah. He's playing it wrong with a question mark? What the hell is happening right now? Am I allowed to say that? Let's just bring the knight out, who cares? Bring our queen out. He can't castle now. He can just bring his rook over, which would be rather unpleasant. Or do that. That's another move he can do. We're gonna actually just disregard that move entirely and just get more development. We can castle. We can't castle. Why can't we castle? We can move our king. That's why we can't castle. Okay. We'll do this. I like the idea of bishop c5 with a discovered check. That seems like a cool idea. He's gonna instead attack this pawn, which gives us checkmate in 1. These games are so bad. Like, it's okay. We're gonna do one more. I was lying the whole time. This video's like probably like 12 minutes long at this point. Actually, I'm gonna guess that it's exactly 11 minutes long and 37 seconds as I finish this sentence. If that's accurate, I don't know. That'd be pretty cool, I guess. Oh, we're doing it like that, eh? We're doing it like that, eh? What the... My knights are just doing work. Absolutely cooking. This knight is just eternal. It was eternally pinned. Now it's not. That stinks. This is a fun, silly little move. A goofy one, if you will. Look at that die. Look at that opening we've got going on. Look at that. Splendid. Let's do this. We'll throw our pawns at this guy haphazardly. This wins us a pawn, actually, so we're gonna do that instead. I think he actually could have maybe taken a piece somewhere during that exchange, but just didn't. Let's just not. We don't even need to. If he wants to take, let him take. And look at that. We've got such a well-guarded piece right now. Guess what's coming next? Rook c2. A dagger. This is just bad. That Argentina? Yeah, I know some flags. I know a couple flags or two. Now we're just gonna start taking all the pawns. We have more pieces guarding this than he has attacking it, so... Is this gonna, like... Are we in trouble now? I think we're in trouble now. Not really, we're still up. My rooks are absolutely devious. And they're guarding each other, which makes us even more pristine. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. Just 2 more squares away from promotion. What's the idea here? Oh, he's just gonna give us a queen? Wow, that's crazy. We have checkmate in 1 now. Does he have perpetual check? He doesn't. We're chilling. It's checkmate. Alright, that seemed like a good one. We'll go over this game. Oh, he wants a rematch. Maybe in a different video. As you can see, the results are a lot more different, you know? Not what I'd expect. I only had 1 great move. And I had a blunder. We each had blunders and misses. We had 10 inaccuracies. Anyway, we'll We'll just go through it. Caro-Kann, you guys have seen this. I was supposed to take his piece back first. I just didn't, because I was rushing. Bring the knight out. Bringing the bishop back was bad. I probably should have just taken. And the reason why is if he takes with the pawn, he now has doubled F pawns and can't really castle this way. So he's basically forcing himself to castle this way, which is a problem because he has his C pawn out. The other option is he brings his queen out early, and now he only has his queen developed. And as you guys have seen in my previous videos, and probably other people's videos, bringing your queen out early is a horrible idea. Bad, not good. But we missed that. Block with the bishop, not the greatest move. This was the best move, though. Blocking this way is the best move. Now we have three pieces guarding the e7 square now, which is great. I guess like technically four with the king, but we took with the better knight because we couldn't take with this knight anyway because it's pinned. Now that's just excellence. Castling, we're up half a pawn. Because he did that move, we're up a full pawn, but boom, we miss it. Let's try and find this. We missed a good move. Okay, what might that move be? I have to imagine it's the c6 knight. Maybe it's bishop take here. I think it's bishop take here. Yeah, no, because then he has to take like this or open up his king, which you don't want to do, and then this is a fork. But it does run into, it doesn't quite run into this pin yet, but it might. Let's say the best move for us is queen e4. At which point I can just take his knight, or a bishop, and then we're up a pawn. But we'll go back to the game. He goes there. We bring our rook there, which is a mistake. I thought it might be kind of weird because you're bringing, you're causing a pin now. You're moving into a pin. So we do this. We take. Now we have our rook on an open file, which kind of ended up working for us, even though it's still even. A6. He goes there. We win a pawn. He goes there. We just bully him back. What's the best move? If it says the best move is taking his bishop, it's taking his bishop. Oh my goodness. I thought it just didn't matter and it was a waste of a move for him. He goes there, we just move forward. He goes there. The great move. I pointed this out mid-game. I called it a dagger. Yeah, it's just a good move all around. At some point during this entire exchange, though, yeah, okay. So this was the mistake spot because he had this move. Once he did that queen move, we had to play. Oh, he had it here. On this turn, I needed to play not d2. Probably king h7. Yeah, that's the best move. Because then your king's not on the back rank. You can't get your queen and king, I said that backwards, forked. But we missed that. We take a pawn. He takes, we take back. He gets our queen. We're still up 2 pawns, though. A queen is worth 9. A rook's worth 10. Or 5, but I have 2, so it's 10. And we're up a pawn, so 10 minus 9 is 1, and then up a pawn's 1. We just start moving pawns. Apparently both of those moves were mistakes. After this, though, that just gives me a queen. This is an inaccuracy, and it says you are threatening to play checkmate, and it's an inaccuracy. That's better. You're threatening to win a pawn, I guess. allowed a forced mate in 1. Checkmate. My rank's 1351. We got the 1250, 1150. You know what? We won though. Let's see how we did on the day. Where did we start? Probably like here. Yeah, it was here. We went 4 wins out of 6. That's 2/3. You know? That's I mean those are that's some Tiger Woods numbers. For sure. Throw him on the free throw line. I mean he's shooting at least 2/3. At least. Anyway, I hope you guys like this. I still need more animal photos. So if you guys could supply me that, that'd be cool. Um, yeah, that's it. I'm done now. I'm done now. You guys are good. You guys can go. You guys, it's been a long 20 minutes. Probably 21 minutes. Exactly. I'm gonna guess this video ends at 21 minutes and 30 seconds. That's my guess.